Visitors to the Chateau Tongariro have an excellent view of the various phases of the Ngauruhoe eruption from a safe vantage point. On August 18th, there are signs of increased activity, and it is time to take a closer look at the eruption. The rocks erupted are dark-colored andesites. The flows have a rough. On the steep mountain slopes, the lava begins to break up and roll, picking up additional material from the slopes as it moves. At the same time, the vent is flinging out molten lava, solid blocks, and clouds of ash. Some of the discharges take the form of virtual avalanches of volcanic materials. As the blocks fall, incandescent dust trickles out. The finer dust particles remain suspended in the air, producing a reddish-brown smoke, which is very irritating to the eyes. The whirling masses of molten lava, glowing bright orange, and enormous blocks of solidified lava make a spectacular sight as they rush down the mountainside. The biggest blocks thrown out during the 1954 eruption measured 15 meters across, about 2 times the size of this vessel. On the way down, we get splendid views of the eruption. Although there are no more lava flows, ash explosions increase in intensity. The explosion takes place on March 10th.